as you already know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and today, as you know before, we posted a video of us playing Among Us.
Yeah.
And yeah, so
I'm
we want to
sleepy over here.
and now we're going to be
Sleep.
yeah, sleep on it. And now we're going to be going to the park. Don't worry, it's not a park far away. It's just a park in our like building.
Yep.
It does not have a name. It's just a building in a park. I'll just show you the view from here if you guys can see. You guys mostly might not be able to see, but it's a really nice park and we're going to be walking there.
Yeah. And there are many cats who chased us, and we three are scared of cats.
Yeah.
Even we also.
Yeah, I'm not
basically.
that scared of cats.
Yeah, but he's still
So why did you run?
Yeah, but he's
Because you can.
that you can defend us. So now we're going to be going
To the park.
and
Let's go.
hi guys, we're in the park right now. Don't worry, we're wearing mask. Also Tanush and sanitizer for protection. Yep.
Spider-Man.
So we're just gonna be taking a walk. We're gonna be not taking you around the whole walk because it's gonna be a really long time. First I'll show you the beautiful view. Yeah, it's a beautiful view. I'll let you walk. I'll let you guys see for some time. But then we're going to be cutting to the part where we're just going to be playing on the slides and all.
And I'm thinking it's going to rain over here.
Yeah, maybe. We're in
I
Dubai.
guess.
Yeah, maybe. We're in Dubai. It's a really nice view. I'll show you guys.
I'm gonna show you guys our
And there are different kind of flowers over here.
Yeah, they're really pretty flowers. I'll show you this one. It's a purple one.
Purple color flower.
It's really nice. And so we're going to be going. We're going to be taking a whole round, and we're going to be like now.
Wow, wow, wow.
We're going to be going. We're walking right now. We finished taking the walk. We are going to the park over there. It's really like on the grass. It's actually really watery. So we all are stamping like we have boots on. It's really watery. My legs are filled with water. So we're going to. This is like a really nice view. That's a little hut. We can sit on it, but we're going to sit later. And we are like tired of walking and playing. And right now we're going to go to that park. If you can see over there.
Yeah, and we'll play a lot over there and have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And it's like a very good place if it's winter. But now, due to some COVID-19 issues, it's not that much winter, but like there's a breeze over here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a really cool breeze. In summer, it's actually
Very hot over here.
these flowers.
yeah. There's really nice flowers everywhere. It's filled with really nice flowers.
Right.
There's like a little like hut over there. If we can sit, right, as I told before, we're going to sit over there later. So right now we're going to go to the park, and we'll see you guys when we reach the park. Right now we're in the park, and Vinayak and Tanush are just doing swing. Yeah, his slippers fell out. So yeah, this is a really nice park. It has three slides. One here, one this yellow, this one. Then there's this one, and there's this twisty one right here. And it's a really nice one. And as the one which Vinayak and Tanush are playing, there's this one.
It's like a very good ride over here.
Yeah, it is a very good ride. It like in winter, like when it's like summer, but there's like a breeze, right? Like right now, it's really cooling. And there's this one right here, but this one is actually really shaky. When people try going a little bit speed, it actually shakes a lot. So that's why we don't go over there. Tanush got out, his slippers fell off. So yeah, it's a really nice park. So we're going to play for some time, but we're still going to show you playing. So let's get started. Yep.
And now Tanmay is also enjoying her ride.
They both not be the only
Yeah. And over here, our mascot is also enjoying a lot, and
I might do a mask or maybe I might.
he's kind of sassy. And she's enjoying. And there are many like slides over here, so you can enjoy. And there's kind of staircase in which we can go to all these kind of slides. So now I've climbed it,
And you guys, this is
the
the
steps.
enjoying.
and now Kittu's enjoying his ride. I mean Tanush. And Tanmaya, she's on the way of peace. She is enjoying her ride a lot. And from here you can see a lot of view of the buildings. And now I'm going to show you the view of our park.
Hey, but now you can look at this.
What happened?
Look.
Oh wow. I think Tanmay is enjoying. I mean, Tanush is enjoying over here. And yeah, that's it. And we will be playing a lot of games over here. And now we are cutting. So do you have anything to say, Tanmay?
It's a really fun park, and yeah. Like show before everybody goes on the slides and like shows you all. First, let's see. Look at the view. It's a really nice view. This is our building. It's really nice. And now we're going to watch Vinayak and Tanush go on the slides. So this is the first slide. It's like a little baby slide. So yeah.
So it's like a very good slide, and I like the slide. Now I'm going to go to the next slide, which is over there.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Yeah. So basically, this is actually a baby slide. Now Vinayak and Tanush. First Vinayak is going to go on that slide. It's a really nice slide. It's like this kind of tunnel one. So let's see them having fun and going down the slide. Vinayak, 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 Vinayak.
Oh, that's like a very good slide.
Yeah, it's like a tunnel. So I'll like.
No, I think our mascot is also coming.
Yeah,
mascot is
mascot. So right now we're just showing you how it looks like this, but later we're going to show you how it looks when we're going inside of it. So Vinayak is going to go on this really big and twisty one. He's up there. So
I'm going to start playing.
so here, yeah, let's see Vinayak do.
Okay, it's kind of water over here, but it's...
Oh, there's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Okay, now Tanush.
Come on.
Tanush, be careful. There's water over there.
Okay. Water spoiled all of this.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to show you the part how we like inside, how it looks, and I'm going to go inside. So let's go to that. Tanush is going down the slide. Vinayak is right there. So let's go down. 3.
Shock me.
Yeah, it's actually really hot because the sun is hustling on us. So let's go down in 3, 2, 1.
That's shock again.
That shocked us, but it's okay. It's really fun. Now Vinayak is going down again. 3, 2, 1, go! So now we're gonna go in the like I call it the tongue slide because it's kind of like a tongue.
Yeah.
So Tanush is going up first. Okay, so Tanush, you can go. Okay, I'm gonna go down. So I'm gonna go down right now. So then I move. Look how good this looks. Like it's green, then it's like blue. We're gonna show you the different colors later. Orange, green, blue, yellow, and red. Now we're gonna see Tanush going down. Tanush, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Now Vinayak, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, it's okay. Now we're gonna go down the most. I think it's not the most fun. I think this one is the most fun. But this is like, yeah, it's like a twisting one. There is water over there, but yeah, this is how it looks up. It has like a sunroof, which is really thankful for this like summerness. And yeah, so I'm gonna go first, and then I'm going to show Vinayak and Tanush going down. Hi guys. So there's like this thingy. It's the color red. It's a really nice red. So let's go down. So now we're going to watch the others do. Okay? Yeah. Okay, now who's going down? Tanush, 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 Tanush. That must be a lot of fun. Yeah, now Vinayak. Vinayak, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
That's a lot of fun. So, like, this is the view. There's like traffic. There's many buildings, and See you. Bye. So me and Vinayak and Tanush are going to be heading home right now. So if you like this video, smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. I mean, go to Vinayak's Instagram as we told before.
Yeah, time with bro and sis.
Yeah, and then like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post new videos. So
For now, let's
peace out.
Bloopers.
come to time with bro and sis.
Sis.
Oh, wait.
We're gonna be walking. Oh, wait. I hope you like. Wait, sorry.